And then in terms of crypto specifically, you guys might have heard that the Senate is going to be voting on the stablecoin bill later today. If that vote goes through, which I think that it will, then that will be extremely bullish for crypto. The chances of it being passed in the House, I think, are also extremely high. So it's possible that we could see stablecoin regulations become law by the end of this month. And this is going to be bullish for crypto, and especially for altcoins, obviously, because altcoins are the ones that host these stablecoins. They're kind of like the de facto payment rail, so to speak. And real quick, guys, I really want to point this out, because a lot of people, you know, people tend to miss like the thing that's right in front of them. Of course, if these stablecoin regulations get passed, then all we have to do is look at like which chains support the most stablecoins, whether it's a USDC or USDT, and we can see that, of course, that we have Ethereum up here, we have Solana, BSC, I guess, to a lesser extent, and of course Tron. Of course, these cryptos are probably not going to get as much, let's say, I don't know, like speculative attention compared to something like Ethereum and Solana, which is also being used by more established stablecoins like PYUSD. We also have like layer 2s like Arbitrum. We have Aptos and even TON that are kind of gaining. Well, I guess TON now has lost quite a bit in USDT apparently, but Aptos has been gaining a lot in USDT. And also, if we go to USDC here, we can see that Hyperliquid has been gaining a lot as USDC, which is really interesting. But of course, it's not being used for payments or anything. But we can see lots of growth on SUI, on Aptos. So again, you can check all this stuff out on DeFi Llama. Just look at the cryptos that are seeing the most growth in terms of stablecoins, especially USDT, USDC, and PYUSD, and that'll give you a pretty good sense of which cryptos are going to do the best, or pump the most, let's say, if we see these regulations passed. And again, even if it just gets approved in the Senate, that'll be enough to kind of cause a boost in these cryptos, I believe.